Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to convert or how to switch your account from personal to business or business to personal or business to create an account. So I'm gonna show you any account you want to convert into. So let's start. I will be walk you through step-by-step tutorials. So go to your Instagram. If you already download Instagram on your phone, go to Instagram. Remember, this will only work for a mobile phone. If you are using your computer or laptop, try to go to your mobile phone. This will work on your mobile phone. Alright, at the bottom right corner you will see the profile of you, or sometimes you can see the top right corner, but for my phone you will see at the right corner below. So click your profile, and then at the right corner, top right corner, you will see the hamburger menu. Click that hamburger menu and then choose settings. From there you will have to go to account. You see it below ads, you will see account. Click account and then scroll down until you see switch account type. Now from there you will click the switch account type, and then you see you have two options there. Since my account is in a creator account, I can switch to business account or personal account. So let's try one. Let's try business. Now you see switch account. There's nothing wrong with it. All your content will still remain same, but your account will be changed to business. Now this is already a business account. Now if I want to change my, just click go to profile. If I want to change to my personal profile, just same process. Go back to your settings and click account, switch to personal account or switch to creator account. See, first we change it from creator to business. Now we can change it from creator to business again. I mean, we can change from creator to business. At the first process we change it from we switch the account from creator to business. Now we would like to change the account from business to creator. So let's do this. Okay, switch account. Okay, so the process is simple, guys. You just have to follow the video, and if you see any error happen, just follow the video, follow the instruction, and you will be completed all the process. Alright, thank you guys.